The captain's death mystery. Once upon a time, a smelly and incredible muscular captain was poisoned and perished on his boat when it crashed in an unknown island. The captain's housekeepers notified his wife that he passed away one morning. After that, she hired a detective to try to identify the person who poisoned the captain. Eventually, he identified who it was. The housemaids returned from the market with that information in the morning. The woman who hired the detective to listen suspicious because she was the only one who knew where her husband would go, made it impossible for anyone to suspect who the killer was. However, why the woman would kill her own husband still baffled everyone. The following day's newspaper's headline stated that she did this because she intended to buy jewelry with the treasure her husband had divorced.